In this video, I'll show you how you can go ahead and email Robinhood support. This is their official email address, and I'll also give you a template that you can go ahead and use in your email to give the correct wording and you know what exact information you should be providing. So this is the email. You just go ahead and right click on this email, click on copy address, or this is the email right here, report@robinhood.com. You can go ahead and type it in. So come here and compose a new email right here. I'll paste this in for the to section, and I'll write the subject and the body of text. All right, there we go. The subject is, we can have urgent right here, so they know it's an urgent issue. So the issue is accessing my Robinhood account. So I told them, through Robinhood support, I'm experiencing, issues accessing my account, and I'm describing what the issue is, what the error message you're receiving is right here. Describe it in this. And then just explain that you have tried maybe resetting your password, but the problem is still going on, and they can actually help you, okay? Give them your registered email address and your phone number as well. And you can sign off in a nice manner. For example, thank you for your help. Thank you in advance. Best regards. Enter your name, right? And then you can go ahead and send off that email. Really that easy and simple. Good luck.